It begins!
What is up, everybody? Today we're going to be making some, how to toast some pretzel bread buns. As you can see, this is the bun. So what you can test how good a bun is by using a bounce test. So, see how bouncy it is? Some pretty good bread. So now I'm going to be showing you how to toast it. So you're going to want to turn on your oven to a medium temperature. And since we have the pan in here, the pan fits the bun perfectly. So you can see how there's So we took the pan off, and we're going to see how, okay. Oh, so we have the oven on a fairly high temperature. We're going to put this pan back on there. Oh, God. It kind of smells. So, the way it smells, that means the faster you're going to be eating your delicacy. Just gonna put that back in here, and it still feels the same. It'll feel different once it starts to kind of stick to the pan, but we'll check back up with you all later. So, yeah. Alright, so we're back. We're going to be using tongs to press down on it. Alrighty. Let's check the back of the... Pretty steamy, looking good. So we're gonna take this pan off. And now we're gonna just give it a little touchdown. And so it's kind of starting to get a little bit toasty on this side. So just because we don't want to burn it, we're gonna switch it around. Still kind of a little bit soft, so we're gonna want to fix that. All right.
Boom! Yo! God! The thing goes grrrr, pop, 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 pop. Skitty kid pop, pop. And the poop, 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 boom! Skia! Toot, 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 boom, boom! Boom, boom!
So we're gonna be cutting this open. Make a nice sandwich in case you get hungry. Shouldn't be too hot. Okay. Alright. I'm in the mood for some blue cheese, so we're gonna... Okay, hold on. Okay. Give me a second. Okay. That looks pretty good. Fold these two halves back together and pick it up. Yeah, pick it up, and we're gonna enjoy our nice sandwich. Oh, fuck! Fucking hell. Jesus Christ.